Hello guys, welcome to another techie episode of Scene 1 Techie. My name is Vibe Happy. Today I'll be giving tips and hacks for Android smartphones. So let's get right to it.
If you frequently type up some repetitive long phrases, you can use Personal Dictionary in settings to create simple text shortcuts for those long phrases. For example, I want to type an address quickly. I can simply type out Adi and my address will appear on the suggestion of the keyboard. To do this, go to Settings, System, Language and Input, Personal Dictionary. From there, tap on the plus icon, then type the long phrase in the text field that says type your words, and then the shortcut keyword that brings out the long phrase. Now go back and use the keyword when typing. For those that use split screen, you'll be amazed to find out that you can drag and drop text from one Windows to another. For example, if I have my Google Chrome and Messenger open in a split screen, I can highlight text from the Chrome and drag and drop over the text field in an Android messaging. Most apps don't support these APIs, but those that do can help you save extra time from copying and pasting. A quick side note though, Google does support the ability to drag and drop image and other content as well. When receiving an incoming call, you can silence your ringtone by pressing the volume button. This is perfect for when your phone is ringing during class or you're in a meeting, or even when you're at the cinemas. You can also end a phone call by pressing the power button by enabling it in the accessibility features in settings. So to do this, go to Settings, under System, and then Accessibility. There's an option called Power Buttons End Call. Enable it and that's it.
I'm sure you guys found that tip very useful. Sometimes this happens to me. I'm probably in a meeting and I've totally forgotten to turn my phone off or put it on silent. Most of the time, sometimes when I'm shooting, this happens a lot of time. But smartly, I can just press in my pocket, maybe my down button, and I turn off my phone or put my phone on silent basically, or I just find the switch off button and I just hold it down for long and it turns it off. These are tips I hope you guys can just learn and get smart about it. With these hacks and tips, I'm sure you guys are able to do away with this kind of thing. Now straight up to number 4.
We all know that swiping down your status bar will bring down the notification panel, and another swipe will bring down the quick settings panel. However, a real techie user will save up some extra bit of time by using 2 fingers, which will instantly open the quick settings. Lastly, if you double tap the status bar quickly, you can bring out the settings panel. Last but not the least, even though this is not a hidden feature, every Android user should be aware of this. Using a dark mode on your smartphone with an AMOLED panel would save you a large amount of battery. I'm not talking about few percentage, but a quarter or more of your battery life. Enabling dark mode, go to Settings, Display, click on Advanced, click on Device Theme, or on some Android device, you will see Enable Dark Mode and Activate. Some apps, including Google ones, have Enable Dark Mode in their settings.
Don't you love anything that saves your battery? I'm sure everyone does, because I love to save my battery a lot of time. It's not every time you get the opportunity to charge your phone, or sometimes you do not have like power banks and all of those things, but this is a great way to save your battery, cutting it off like a large percentage of amount. Guys, thank you so much for watching Techie on Scene 1 Techie. This has been exciting for me. If you have any questions or review, please go to the comment section and leave your comments or your questions. I'm definitely going to be answering them. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, thank you so much. This has been Techie. Stay techie always. Bye till next time.